Look, man, make me back. He was able. Yeah, man. Thank you, River. Yeah, man. Refreshing. Yeah, man. Don't go. In the place. Take your natural water. The rain. All over you, little people. You know that? Need to go and come here and dance. Rain. Come on. That's my day.
Do you duck dive? Do you duck dive? Do you duck dive now?
What's going on, my brother?
One,
Yeah, where we at now, man?
yeah, man, we have 10 to river, one,
Yeah, wonderful, brother. Look at the view, it's pretty, man.
Beautiful.
Be nice to the people. I'm telling you, normal. Who is that man over there? The great Rasta? Yeah. Yeah. The Rasta there. Rasta, drinking water? How about that, river water, like? Hey, alligator in it and shark in the river, yeah? Yeah? Yeah, man. You see people? Yeah, Centuli River. Nice. Yeah, man, the Clarendon there, yeah. Yeah, normal, man. The water there. Yeah, man. Lovely, nice. Jamaica, lovely and beautiful, man. Look on this waterfall. Wow. Yeah, man. It's a great fall up there, so. The whole already there. Yeah, man. Steady, yeah. Yeah, man, great. Great fall over here, so. You head back there. Yeah, man. That's it, people. Water. Nice, brother. Pretty. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, man, I don't know. Turkey, I try. Do a style. Yeah, man. Over there, people. Yeah, man, I love and unity. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. That's it, you know. Rasta, see what alligator behind you there. Crocodile. Yeah, man. Water, lovely, cool and nice, refreshing. Yeah, man. Loving when the kids them come down. We're gonna in there, man, cooking and enjoy ourselves, you know. Push Park massive, big up for themselves, you know. Yeah, man. And Kirky. Yeah, man, Mike TV them. Yeah, man, John. Jammy youth style, you don't know? The real. One love. Yes, people, love and unity, you know, the whole world. Yeah, man, you know, we went to the river, come back now, you know, got some fish here. I clean it up already and thing, and I wash it off. I never catch that part on the camera, but the thing is, I clean out them and I make some salt water, and I put it in there, like salt water. I blend salt water, I have it in pepper. See, I'm cutting up the pepper here. I have some pepper soaking in it. It's that style what I'm doing now. But I soak in the pepper and the onion in it. I put garlic already in it. I put garlic already, and I put garlic and scallion in it and some onions, so look at spice. This thing is the salt gonna absorb in the fish like with the season, you know what I mean? It's a different style. Then I gonna put it for drain, you know what I mean? When I put it for drain, like you get the salt and everything and the season kind of dry it in. When I put it in the frying pan, it don't stick and thing and it get a nice flavor to it, you know what I mean? You can see, and I'm touching it right now. You can see the fish all the pretty. Yeah, pretty fish like that, you know.
Big fat blue parrot.
Yes, and see what he said, yes. Nice parrot, you know what I mean? And see what some snapper in
Pink parrot and blue parrot.
Alright.
Them fat, pretty man,
Yeah,
them pretty.
They're pretty people. They're
Pretty.
definite people. I mean, I say this is style what I do sometimes when you see when you cut up the season and the pepper and the spice what you want to put in there. You can put anything you want to put there. You have some rosemary, some mint, up to your season of choice. You just put the water have to be salt. You know what I'm saying? When the water salt, all these things gonna all absorb, you know, the season gonna absorb the spices, the herbs, and everything gonna go in the fish. When you fry it, you know, you're gonna be mad people, you know. Sometimes when you fry the oil, they put the scallion in it, or the garlic, or the pepper. This thing work the both way, two sides, you know what I mean? Respect and one love. Yes, again. You're gonna catch me when I'm gonna fry it, before I'm gonna make up and fry it and stuff like that. Outdoor style, not the inside, outdoor style. Yes, people, so we're going. We put out the fish up for dry out now and thing. Yeah, say. Yeah, man. Go on, you know. We soak the fish and thing, and I put it for dry right now. And say, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cover it with a cloth right around in case dry picture. But the sun naturally I'm gonna cover, dry it out because the seeds and the salt, everything in it, you know what I mean? But see right now, just so we don't want to fly then picture it, I'm gonna cover it with the cloth and stuff right there and keep it in the sun and dry it. You know, just check in and see what's going on when they're gonna fry it, you know what I mean? Just check in. I respect people. Yeah. Yes, people, see there what I'm saying. I put the fish for drain and thing, but you know the fly them a fly around. You don't want to go on and pitch up on the fish like that. We're gonna cover it and seal it around and thing. But anyway, people, you don't know, so I have to do it like that because that's safety. Sun gonna just gonna it's shining. You can see the sun is strong and thing, you know. But anyway, same time, big enough. Mr. PJ and your family. And my wife and Biggs, you know. Yeah, man, I big up my kids them too, and my family and my brother them in Miami. Alright, and my family right to the whole world. Friends and fans and everyone, you know what I mean? Anyway, big up me Terry, Shanika, Roll, big up Kensha, Nesha, Kashi, Kemal, big up Patrick and Debbie, my mother, Maris them and not me all of my brother them and thing, you know, all of my friends them and fans and thing, you know. Anyway, we just there and tying up it and thing. Just tying up for just to fly them, to get rid of the fly them. I don't want to pitch up or nothing at all, you know. When it dry, you know, and if you catch it and you go beat in the cloth, it gonna fish gonna fry easier because the water not gonna fly up on the island thing and it's gonna do good. But I'll check in and see what's going on. Anyway, big up the whole world. Big up the policeman, them man. Big up the commissioner of police, and big up the doctor, and big up all the working class people. People are foreign all around England, right around Caribbean, Jamaica, everywhere. World. Big up us, big up our YouTuber. Big up everyone, each one ever, you know what I mean? And the thing about it, that's love and unity. right in the country I get rough, roll I get rough, things I get harder. So I take care of the kids and family. Love and unity. Check in and see what I want. You know what I mean? There is one love. Yeah man. Yes. To the fish we put them to dry them now. I take them one by one. Alright. They kinda dry out set them out. It's like they can dry out away, you know? Yeah man. Fish with them big and pretty. Yeah man. What the fish name again? Oh.
Blue Parrot.
Yeah man. Red Force say blue parrot, you know what I say? Yeah man, blue parrot.
Nice blue parrot.
And the one a red parrot. If a blue parrot is our.
That's be red.
This I blue gold tail parrot.
Oh yeah, because I with gold them.
Yeah man.
With some pretty on it.
Yes, some gold upon him tail, no?
Yeah.
It's like gold tail parrot and it's like pink parrot.
Oh, it's like how all of them made like different.
Aye, but different species.
Like
them are different.
Some of them are small, then they get too big. I just know when I regular common one. I them are the reef one them.
Yeah, them want to reef one them. They want to the way out in deep.
They have to go ocean for the deep.
Yeah man, they want to love it deeper part.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah man, let's people see what I go. We'll just light the fire now. I go and I'll cover it so we don't want to fly the man. No, you know? Yeah man. You think, yes. Put on the pattern now. Knock it on.
Pull it.
There's some hot there.
Patatina.
You may have to say hot already for your hot man. Put it right forward.
Put this here, so just if you breathe and blow, it's still wally in it. You eat.
Yeah man, so we have some seeds there. We deal with the fish like how we soak with the fish and thing. We just put it in it and make it fry out a little bit and get the flavour again in the oil. You know me? Because two ways soak season in the fish and it soak the salt water and it dry. This is the season there for we fry it and get a fry thing there. It's like a two lick you get. Two side of season like me I tell you. This one will send up the season up. Straight back again in the fish again. Yeah man. Yeah. Yes. Yes, yes. Ooh, fire! Yeah, man, see that? Yeah, man. We're doing general piece here. It's done, there you go. Real. Fire, real wood fire. You fall it? Fight it. Go ahead, fight it. I'll pick up the general. Pick up yourself in a fall of pain. Yeah, man. I mean, so you look on it and see if I feel right to Basi. The Parrot have big door. Yes, man. And Sammy, I get it from? Great Sammy. Sammy, yeah, man. You don't know how I go. Yeah, man. Come family TV, don't know. Sponsor the fisher again. Yeah, but then we get it fine, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. My land. Yeah, right. Trying for the night. Yeah, man.
One turn. You see me? Yeah, man.
Big boy, man, come in now, see? Right, so you walk more first. Fire heat. Yeah man, second round now. it. Yeah, man. That people. They fish them pretty. Pretty, man. Yeah, man. Next set. Mercy. Fire eat body. Yeah, man. People. That fish pretty. Yeah, man. I work with it. Hot. Fire. Hot. Yeah, they got show now, say. Yeah, the wood fire and fry the fish. A lot of seasoning fish, so you know that. Wood fire when people say cook for outdoor and cook out outdoor, it's gone bad, man. Yeah, man. All that I go on, man. Definitely. It a go on, man. From what I go on. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. Zar, you know, my brother, I miss you, brother. Trust me. When you run me, I'm funny, brother. I say, man, a clean hearted, brother.
Yeah, man, you're funny too.
And it's good.
One Zar.
One Zar.
Bossy thing like when you always do.
Oh. Zar. Say go?
Yeah.
Say, you know what? Zar. Yeah, people, good guy.
Bossy me that part.
Zar. Zar.
Yeah.
A breath of fresh air. A breath of fresh air.
Yeah, fresh.
Yeah. A breath of fresh air.
Say what I slang. Say what I slang now.
Zar.
A breath of fresh air.
A breath of fresh air.
Yeah. You like that slang there? A bad slang that
man, no, brother. The man come from Canada, man come to Jamaica. Zar. To relax. I'm not telling you. Canada.
A breath of fresh air.
A breath of fresh air.
Yeah, man.
And people, we love you, people. We come
Yeah,
here, man,
man.
and we go anything in cool, man. We are big up there, Canada, when you left yesterday.
Yeah.
You gave me love and
Yeah,
you
man.
Oh, we say we have plans to go on. Papa style.
Yeah, we have planned to go to funeral after you done Friday fish.
Funeral?
Papa style.
Papa style, anything we are doing. You know, people, we have one great fight today. And I say, link up. Yeah, one love and unity. You don't know, take up the whole world. Mr. PJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, a few of the things. One love, you know.
Big up the whole world, you know we love you.
Yeah,
Show them what going on in our party.
Yeah, man.
And this the natural peeps, no?
Natural.
No season, nothing.
Natural, you know? Yeah, man, on this side, yeah. Yeah, pretty.
Yeah.
Oh,
You skin up that one they do.
No, you know, say, I say, sometimes I say, go, we never check the EH paper.
And why you skinny?
No, we never check the EH paper for the fish sometimes. Sometimes we check the EH paper, we don't buy fish. If you ask me the EH paper, what year them born and what month or what.
Yeah, and what date?
Yeah.
Because sometimes some of them too old.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, if you check when you buy fish, we know the EH paper. Remember that, Zar?
Yeah. Your body, you know.
Yes, people, you know, there you go. We are coming down to the thing, no? Yeah, man.
last
Give me the
one.
cover.
Wild dog.
Go, give the cover, my brother. I'll cover it still, no?
Yeah, man.
Go and take a picture from the other now, brother.
Yeah, man. And bust back is our style now.
Yes, man, that's a great fight, yes. One family. Yes, they carry three brothers in here now. Yeah, because Smirky. Smirky and Rasta. Yeah, man, Jolly. Yeah, man. Jolly, love it. Yes. You love it? No, you love it, man. You love it.
When you wrap it around your neck, you make your neck go on.
I walk in the truck instead of it.
Yeah, I think they're true. Because I want the long, you know.
The long? I want my plan to drive the car with it.
You look like you can't drive the car.
Where you come to that? Let's see if I escape from prison.
Yeah.
I will end up. They got jail and then I go upstairs. I try to teach you
And the star.
I try to man come down.
But a cartoon, me see that in a
Cartoon?
cartoon.
Cartoon make most of the time. A real life thing happening, brother. Things happening in real life, brother. Most of the thing.
And like Rapunzel,
Yeah.
when she use her ears to escape.
A real story that?
Yeah. see what me
So
tell
girl ear grow so long.
Yeah.
She use her own ear to escape.
Right.
Right.
Shooting.
Yeah.
Yeah, shooting.
A truth.
Yeah.
So your ear never grow long, so
Here you go. You sit down
so you can use it to escape.
I now escape from myself. Oh, man.
Give them a smirky smile.
I'm bossy gar style now. Bossy gar style.
No, yeah.
Ah.
Zar.
Yeah.
I better for share.
Yes, people. People, love.
Yeah.
Just do the right thing, people. Just
Yeah,
subscribe, people, and turn and share, you know. Don't let go, people. One love and unity. Yeah, man. Watch until you are God, you know. For real. Yes, people, really. Yeah, man. We come to the end. We come to see the last two fisher that jail out the island and to clean it out and thing, you know. Yes, man. People. So the fish are pretty. Nice.
Whoa,
Very
look at
pretty
that.
fish, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Up on the big boy, yeah. Big red parrot. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Lift it up. You see how it is? Yeah, man. You see the general? Nice and pretty, you know. Yes, yeah, man. Really well done, you know. Season, natural season night and thing. And thing, you know. Mix up on some salt water and thing. Yeah, man. Voilà, the boy cut it, you know.
They poke it in the ear.
Alright guys, so see it now, no? Father P, big up yourself, you know, my father. See me? Yeah, no. Alright, lift him up. Lift up your pan. What is that? Give me now.
Yes, Father, you don't know. Yes, I come to the end.
Yeah, then come to the end.
You see the troublemaker, Mr. P? Troublemaker, that man, you know that? Yeah, man. Yeah, anyway. Out, and catch it from the video. Live and direct. Alright, one love, unity, based up on yourself.
Hey, dog.
No, you don't know the truth. Just start it up right now. Yes, people, you see what I'm going? Yo, yeah, man. Yeah,
Shiny.
yeah, man, give me everything in I want, man. Everything I want, you know, I'm not get too old enough. How are you going, sir?
Y'all get too old, so you like when it shine.
Boy, I tell you, boy, I'll ball let me get too. You see? Yeah, watch out, there. Yeah, man, that's it, yeah.
I know him have him Mr. Beans look down, man.
Yeah, give him one line up there when you're done.
Yeah, come to this way, come that side. Yeah. And the honest truth, like everybody has a Kirky. Oh, yeah, well, look like Mr. Bean. And Mr. Bean and call me too.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, because I'm cut his shape. I'm a poor.
Give him one line up there now.
Yeah, man.
You know, I don't know. You want to quick, man. Oh, yeah, you cut?
Yeah, that cut good.
I know, man. Take it out, slide it, glide him.
Glide him now.
Yeah, man. Alright, let's cut it down what you are going, people. We're not getting the full trimming, you know? Yeah.
Yeah. No fight, you know, cut it there, so.
Yeah. I put like a food all about it. When the food, I just want to go, you know, I'm getting
Yeah, he's man.
Yeah, go back, yeah, give me some
No.
Feel it. Feel it. The way, when I come, I must say, hey, yo, now brother, we done none. You can see my right cup.
Turkey. Give my line in there.
Are you that?
No,
I love you.
people, I love it. I'm sure I go. People, my God, that's something ugly.
Yeah, I love you.
Man, come on, I teach.
I love you too, man.
Yo, just cut to this and finish it. Yeah, man.
Like I want to night. I'll
Yeah.
see you like okay.
Yeah, man, all round there, you know.
All right.
Yeah, man.
move section.
Take your time.
Move section.
Yo, me a baddest barber in Jamaica.
When you buy the
If you don't have your 8 grand, you can't come up your country.
it's why you don't know more customers all that. Yeah, body is bad.
Yeah, peeps. So stay tuned, you know. No fight it, cut it, that's up.
Yeah.
How I look now, peeps?
You know, see, you make me a fret before, brother.
Yeah.
I mean, I gotta go put K, you make all kind of thing, I'm a red man.
No, cause he's a stylish barber.
I know, see, it's a comedy thing. Yeah, comedy.
No,
Yeah, you
man.
get phone and do
No, man, but the thing is, Kirky, remember, we all rounders.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
round.
all rounders.
So we
All
can
round.
make every little stuff.
Yeah, so if you want a young boy hairstyle, I say here with a look. Will you
Oh,
K them?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. So
Yeah.
me yet come off all me not already. Yeah, me I tell I told me as part young boy, me look like me old as guy, me there for guy, don't know.
I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm saying.
All man love your deal with, you know.
And give no love and
Yeah.
yeah, I'm saying people.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tell him I don't know guy.
So how it look?
No, I like him, man. Come on, man. I should have a razor now and shine him. And I to rub some coconut when they done it.
Whoa.
Some engine oil on it and shine him
Yeah,
up.
ear oil.
Engine oil.
See, engine oil is a thing, you know.
Eat there.
See the gas? No, man, if you do that and the sugar light, you'll catch up on it.
No.
Yeah, catch
I
up.
remember see I cooking us so when you are there and I do you hold your head catch
Yo,
a fire.
brother, I hold away I cook. I see you that way.
Yeah,
Anyway-
man.
Anyway, you don't know, you go, I'll big up two man, you big up two somebody.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know, PJ. Yeah, man. No
general.
love and respect.
And you make the thing happen, you know?
Mm.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, you don't know
Cameron family.
and cream
Foley.
Sheba.
Big up on yourself.
And
Queen Sheba. Big up yourself.
Want you not big, you not big up to take
Big up yourself, Blinks. Eh?
You not big on yourself.
Little mangoes, big up yourself, little
Yeah.
mangoes.
Adventure in the traffic, you know that?
Yeah.
I hear that J-Man drive family adventure, you know?
Yeah,
And
man.
you don't know Chevy Nation. And
Yeah.
Karen Bassett.
Yeah.
That's yeah.
And Johnny Houston.
John
Same
Houston,
way
John
too.
Houston, that's yeah, man.
Brother, are you there on, you know?
Yeah, I
Alone love your show, you know?
Yes, I don't know.
Yeah, man.
I'm tell you that is the thing I'm here for. All my life, I give people love, everybody. So, everywhere when we go, I don't hate nobody. If I hate somebody that makes us, Father God, forgive me and try because you tell my heart and that I love you.
Right.
Like, everywhere we go, every place we go.
Everybody will come around you make them happy, you show them love.
Anyway.
Yeah, man, I respect that. Shake me,
Yeah,
man.
man.
You're a real unity boss.
You are check me for
Nah, man, it's foot too big.
Yeah,
and
man. Yeah, man. You see?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Babes, a real unity man, you know.
Yeah,
Them
man,
man, a peer love him, have
Yeah, man,
in
everybody, we see it,
them
man.
man, have the heart for
Yeah,
you,
yeah,
nobody.
yeah, man.
or
I
nothing.
big up on Boom
Yeah.
family.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man, Boom. You know.
Yeah. Miss K them and the whole family.
Yeah, man.
Whole
Big
Butcher Park.
up the whole world.
Wake up whole Butcher Park.
Yeah,
whole
man.
commissioner.
Big up the whole world, too.
Big up the whole world.
Yeah, man.
Like already done one commissioner came in believe.
Yeah.
We again general, you know.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
peeps, you know, we have some nice thing. So we want to prepare. We are prepared today.
Them must see what they can't tell them too much. Just show them and
Show them what I want, man.
That's all the good stuff there.
And Rasta fame bush food. You like the Islalu?
Yeah. That's all the good thing we have put together.
So-
You're done yet. So we take time.
Yeah,
Pack everything
man.
and do something.
And thing.
Yes,
And we
we
still
have
have some swim around peeps. So we're not going to see what go on. We have some fish in there. So just stay tuned. I don't know if I want to taste them nice East Indian here, you know.
A juice, we're going to make with them.
Oh,
Juice, we're going to make a shade it.
milkshake. Alright.
Mango.
So peeps, just
Not tell nobody.
yeah.
Yeah.
You hide the ingredients?
And we're working natural.
Okay.
Natural.
Yeah, peeps, so Rasta all build up the fire. So what we want to do, stay tuned, no fight, you know.
What if I go?
No fight, you
no
know.
fight.
Cut it there, so, you know, member.
No, you know. Look out for my channel, you out there, you know.
Yeah.
Ratty Wildlife.
Ratty
TV.
Lifetime.
And big up Kirky out there living
time.
adventures in the traffic. Traffic. Or traffic.
Traffic's Kirky.
Traffic, Kirky say. But anyway, adventures in the
You want
traffic.
one haircut too?
And big up Foley. One Foley.
You want one haircut too?
We see the other some barber in a while ago say about
You
want a lineup?
article, you know.
I tell you, article elder.
Yeah.
Yeah, article elder.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Big up Rasta. Don't know. So no sound now the idea yeah. Look at Isla wants it.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, man.
You like Alalu?
Rasta
Yeah,
there,
around,
man.
man.
You like Alalu? Yeah, different style like
Yeah,
yeah.
man, it's
Alalu
green. I don't put.
Yeah. Yeah,
That
man.
sound like
Look
a
out for that one.
That sound like a run belly thing.
No, man, I don't run belly thing. He make you see good. Yeah.
Yeah, all around.
I make your blood good.
Alright.
Yeah.
We're gonna test it. We're gonna test it, people.
Yeah, peeps. So
No
just stay
fighty,
tuned,
cut
you
it
know.
so.
No fighty. Cut it this.
Cut up some thing, yeah. Cut up some carrot in the water, yeah. What do you cook down? Somebody said you are brown through the fish, you know. You are cook it down, you know, with some sweet pepper, some tomato, and so the basics and we have some okra in it and thing, you know.
Just stay tuned, people. Me I go and cut up the season and I see what I go on.
So yeah, what? Be a foot of jerky. You're not afraid of fire burn you?
Fire?
Yeah.
No, man, you know, I want to live in a curfew, you don't live in a water.
That's the time we must mix it.
Well, mix it, man.
All the spoon, man. I am cook.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You want about half and make the barefoot.
So how you manage that? Because you know,
Yeah.
you know say some people now,
Yeah, you want to
they can't walk on barefoot.
I tell you why, I love in my yard, I love barefoot.
Okay.
Love barefoot, not
But me I tell you say naturally, to the way of some people wear shoes every day.
Yeah.
They can't walk on barefoot like that.
Yeah, man, so we got a bush, we got everything, we got a farming with everything, and we got,
You know, if you run on the spike, it's stone them barefoot.
we got past store, man, and I don't want to do it. Spike and sharp, I go up, man, I miss
So I miss the barefoot bottom.
Boot baruka.
Yeah.
Boot baruka. Boot baruka.
You man, you know, wear no shoes.
But last time I see him, down at Clarendon, one thing I name, down at Clarendon.
Take up the shirt. Shirt.
Carnival. And the time, I think when we grow up, people cook eat, you know.
Oh.
We eat, when that thing you grow up.
Calabash.
Calabash. You want to think up there, calabash. Calabash, I'm saying, boot baruka. Now, one son had and go cheat and you shake him. Yeah.
You think you can do a mutaru?
No, you can't do what me do. I say now do I do? Now go to become me like when we are full of go fishing. I can't show up, be a foot as well.
Muta never wear shoes and in band.
Yeah, but it's more like a man where we're in the office them.
Oh, you know we're in a bush.
We are bushman and back for walk and everything and all. But we are shoes, but we wear shoes, but you know, we don't feel comfortable. And go natural thing.
Yeah.
Only thing I'm afraid like if fire burn me.
If you burn you, you know? You ever burn you yet?
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah, man. Anyway, that's respect. Just check in where I go and people. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Stay tuned.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. The peace in it and the season in it and thing, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we are watching the rice. The white there. Go straight there. Don't watch it. You know what I mean?
That is it.
Yeah, man. You ready? Alright, so I put the rice in there. Alright, cut it. Put the mango in there, you know what I mean? The mango. Alright, make sure I spoon now. Come on, you have to put some mango in a jelly. And you know, so you operate the blender. That's how I see this.
You don't see no in there.
About the last time we make it, I want to put the seed night, everything in that because.
You look like maybe half bus
Nah,
train.
my size that shape, you know.
Alright, that's
If I bend it, I try the thing in it.
sure. That's
No. But I bend it is soft, you know.
yeah, make it sound fun.
Remember, Kirk, remember me not show you what
Yeah, man.
arrow to arrow.
Arrow
See
to
arrow?
arrow. See there, the arrow there.
And then when I done, you
Glass
just,
up. I turn and start, you know. Yeah.
just press smooth.
You know what? I'll top of water after it and then take it. Put something in it now. Put some water if you want. This has some milk, but I put half can in it. That's half can. Yes. That's half can right in it. I put the water in it, yeah. Yeah, man.
Wait, pause it off. What kind?
Yeah, man.
Can't show vanilla in
I
man.
got to cry. What? Put
Yeah,
that.
get it, man.
You get the thing there.
Just go and keep it.
I go for the
Vanilla.
put some water in it. Just I make something sweet. Just one in that. Just put some half can of milk in it and that's it. Right. I'll put two of this now. Alright, that's it.
Press the button.
Yeah, man.
I eat that one.
Like that?
I would have put in a fridge with feet.
Yeah, I mean, like how me taste. I mean, I would use the spoon and taste.
Yeah,
it,
man, tasty man. Good.
Ice, ice cream can't freeze it, brother.
No man, I don't want to freeze. More I think I can drink with me.
Yeah, it tastes good, man. My real mango. Me not tell lie. Me like it more. Me like it more with the pepper, like they do the pepper. There's more mango taste. Everything is natural, man. Trust me. Nice people, for real. Alright. We'll go and cook up over there. Still cooking the rice and peas and things. I'll put on the fish. Just get you see where I go on, you know? Yeah, man. That's it.
No, do.
Just show the people. Right, Shelly, man. Your coconut juice tonight and thing, you know? Yeah,
Can't come off, I know man.
You can't come off. Alright, like you say, can't come off, but take care of then.
Alright.
Watch it and see what I go and people. That's where the okra, the pumpkin, okra and carrot.
You saw that pretty?
Yeah, man. We have to cook it up and we get a little stir fry. I just put some coconut juice in it and some cheese in it. And go and deal with it. Yeah, man. You can't see it here, though. You can't see the fish is here already. The fish done fry already. See there? Yeah, look, you can look at it very good. Yeah, man. Well, I will make a gravy, so drop them in it and stuff like that. Yeah, man. Night already, coconut juice going night already. I have some ketchup in there, you know? Yeah, man, that. My wife has a face, because fly them, yeah, but I try get rid of the fly them, you know? So bring it down and thing. But my can't see good mouth. Yeah, make it cook, you know, with coconut juice and thing. So go on, you know?
Wow!
We have put
Big
big
fish
fish
Ooh
big
la
and
la.
the pot and that now go hold everything. We are just put in the bigger fish them. Right, Carol, so they become wow. See there?
3 pound on that
Yeah,
perky.
tell them man.
A perky in
Perky, yeah.
Alright, see there?
3 pound Parrot in that
Watch
pot
it.
there.
Come on, come up man, come up there, keep too far, brother. Alright.
Show them how crystal
Great Mr.
gold that
P.
look.
Great Mr. PJ done a one bar.
Yeah, man.
One
Big up
general.
yourself, PJ. You know, all the time.
And you make this happen?
Yeah, man.
You say a sponsor look at dinner today.
Yeah.
Everybody that's all you want to look at
I
dinner.
remember, you know, we all left your plate, so stay tuned.
What?
You go see your plate.
Your plate, if it did it, bro.
It beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Take
Wonderful.
camera.
Camera.
Yeah, man.
Look how
Big up
fish them all
yourself
laugh
again,
off.
Father.
Come
P.
back, someone.
Look how fish them all laugh off a Kirky. Look on him. Let me smile.
Look,
I laugh off a
You
Kirky.
see what I go on? Pretty in the day, I don't know, man. We will make a little shake. Tell me shake we make, brother. Mango, mango shake.
12 shake.
Mango.
Y'all go shake.
Not 12 shake.
Y'all go shake.
Alright, yeah, me say. We'll make it easier. Come give me
Wrong.
come
Wrong
here.
bang.
Alright, hold on.
Wrong bang.
People come here now. Outside there. No mind if you take it. I put it on the ground. I just outdoor stuff. You know what I mean? Outdoor stuff. Yeah, man, I said. Watch what I go on now.
Shake him up now, Kirky.
You might see there?
Yeah.
Come on, come look over, man. They go like a perky.
Turkey.
Alright, so we go like that. Go to trap on the trap.
Yeah, tell you.
Real. Real.
All around now.
You see that? When you go name? All around, man. That
Turkey
is
is
it.
an article you
Yeah,
Very
tell
article.
you don't know, sir. One family.
Good.
Yeah, man. Ratty, big up your name for the thing,
Yeah,
man.
man, we do that long time, man.
Okay, alright, you see that? That is it, people.
Article.
Yeah, tell you.
Ratty, big up your name for anything now.
Yeah,
Ratty Wildlife TV, you know.
Yeah. like over there, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah,
Make people sit and love it, man. Yeah. That is it here. Yeah, man.
So, yo,
Oh, show me the rice and
yo,
peas.
the rice, yeah, well known star rice.
Rice and peas.
You know?
Yeah.
Yo, hey.
Yes, people. You don't know. 140.
Yeah, I never two.
40 just run down, can't do that thing. I was getting time, you know.
Yeah.
Every get receive, we still have to go on, you know.
Yeah.
The one brother, you know.
Oh, our brother, the love.
Brother, you love.
Yeah.
You were there early. In there early, and you have to cut, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
And you
yeah.
have to finish it.
Big up yourself, see him with your father phone.
man.
One mango, show them your mangoes.
Come on, come
That's
on.
right now.
Oh, man, good.
Kirky, he say you have to put up your gloves.
Mongoose. Come over the side.
Yo, ready? Yeah, man, bossy, man, Mr. PJ, you don't know you're general.
Yeah.
You have to run out and do out there, so breathe bad out there and fly a kill out there, you have to run. We're in the house and now still. It's fighty there. You must set up a thing with the rice thing, you know what I mean? Yes, man.
I hear one this Mr. P, I know.
Yeah, we'll set you up there. So watch how I'm going now. Yeah. I try to take out some of my fish and I feel light up the face. Yeah, man.
Yes, you say I know my stuff, Rasta.
Good.
Article you.
Article.
Article, is the article?
All around, man.
Alright.
I see you present food.
Picture your foot, fish. Oh, you can't go there. Oh,
Yeah, man. Always have broad off a plate still.
You can't hold off it.
Yeah, man, but you...
And that come there. Article, come in.
Bring a plate, come. Near.
Come the article. Mr. PG.
Watch your food.
Mr.
Big till
PG.
it a broke.
Big till it bend.
Oh,
How you call that one here? Benny?
Benny. No, man. It's a VJ.
Benny Hill.
Benny, alright. Oh, General, listen, man. Oh, General, Mr. PG.
Yeah, oh sorry say you could have there in person, Sir P. I shell it down.
Yeah,
Look on the big parrot fish, man.
Yeah, eat that.
So show now a closer view, people.
Alright.
I wait tomato and cucumber.
Alright, come
We are start out, man.
Alright. We're not big. We put fish away. We'll make a juice. What the juice in that thing? Put the juice behind. Come, get cup.
I hear about that, Jolly.
Yeah, people, we the juice them sheer out, you know.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. Rasta deal with it, and you don't know the general here, so mash it up. Yes. You have a shear up here, that's a plate I go on over here, so you put that shear up. What's up, brother? No fight, eh? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You think that? Man, look at the delicious, man. Boy.
Nice, well, pretty and mellow.
Yeah. Yes, man.
Wow, oh, that's how we drink.
And the people, Mr. PJ, this is your drink right here. This is your one, my brother, your one. Now left you, so you make it possible. If you know what I mean, for real.
For real.
Yeah, now God, we
Big up yourself again, Father P, you know?
Yeah.
Enough love and respect.
Yeah,
Okay.
man, that's easy, man. Alright, people. Like that.
Yeah, people, you don't know. We have Kirky, you know, all the time. Food. But, I tell you like.
Taste article, oh.
Nice, man.
Well, shake.
Flavor like that. See that? Have some mango shake. You call it mango espanada.
Yeah, one of the Indian name there.
Oh,
Body.
Go join anymore.
Nice, man.
How you food eat, Johnny, mo?
Mangoes, it's my great mangoes.
Nice.
Alright.
My time? Yeah, man, I tell you, say, 2 plate, me the fan people, food mud. I tell you, for real nice. And show me how we cook it. We are fighting and map them, you know? Yeah, man, Jolly. Rasta, you don't know, you got to rat it up. Yeah, man, all our wedding and everything I do, we put it on to heart. But you go on, you know? For real. Take it out, though. Yeah, man, love and unity, you know? Big up PJ. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, big up PJ, man, my brother. Yeah, man.
All around, I know.
Enough IT, cut it there, so.
He was a food full of pepper, okay? See, man? All around, I like it, Kirky.
Scoop, you know me,
Right,
All around, man.
People remember they are still they've mashed up some fish and the one PJ don't know we love you and respect, you know. Real remember Salim Blagaros General, you don't know. Yeah, the real general top lodge, remember. You don't know we have to link up soon, but we overdue, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, they are still come to our spine. John Houston, big up yourself, you know. Badly from me pen, good brother, brother. Yeah man, big man, K-man people them and everything, you don't know. One love and unity. You hear me I say, cut it there so.
Remember, we don't hunt to live, we live to hunt.